Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use Stremio on iOS. So first off, you want to go onto Safari and then type this web.stremio.com, and then you want to click this button here and then add to home screen. Now open the app from your home screen, and when you first open it, it'll show this notification. Streaming server is not available. This doesn't matter, just press don't show again. And then once on the app, click on the three dots and then go to settings. And on settings, you'll see that in play in external player, at first it'll be disabled. There's two external player that's supported. It's VLC and out player. So you need to download either of these apps from your app store first. I usually recommend VLC, but once you have VLC installed, you want to press on this menu here. It'll drop down and then you will pick VLC. After you've picked VLC, that's it. You're done. You can use Stremio on your iOS devices now.